I have no time for yoga, for meditation, for pranayama or breathwork. What if I tell you that is not true? We always find time to sit on our couch, have some popcorn, watching movies, watching TV, wasting so much valuable time. Why don't we use this time to take a few conscious breaths? Why don't we use more time, maybe 10, 20 minutes or even up to 1 hour, to sit down and work on ourselves by using the techniques of pranayama, to learn to control the life force, the life energy, for our own good, to redirect the flow of prana, the flow of life force, to calm the mind, to relax, become free from stress and anxiety and be more calm and peaceful and harmonized, energized. I know it is difficult to just sit down, close your eyes, focus on your breath, and now we don't do anything. We're so accustomed, we're so used to engage in all these various activities. The mode of passion, Raja Guna it is called in Sanskrit. It's like a burning fire, never satisfied, and we're pouring more and more ghee, more and more oil into the fire, and the fire is burning and burning, because the desires will never stop. As long as we are conscious, the soul always desires. You can't just sit down and just meditate. We will always have desires within. But by learning to control the breath, by learning to slow down the mind, just try it out. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Try to breathe equally in, maybe 4 to 5 seconds, and equally out. Just breathe with me in and out. And open your eyes again. Just see these 2, 3, 4 breaths. The shift of consciousness, the shift of awareness, the power of conscious breathing. All of a sudden, we do breathe, but we consciously observe. And the mind doesn't like it, the mind doesn't know. The mind is not used to it, because usually the breath happens automatically. And this is where we want to go. We want to breathe with various techniques. First, the more energizing techniques, to open up, to tap into the sympathetic nervous system, to be in an energized, harmonized, balanced way, that the energy channels are open. Then you can breathe the more soft and calmer techniques, alternate nostril breathing, in through one nose, out through the other nose, then in from this side, out from the other side, or some very calm techniques. Just focus on the breath. And then you slow down the breath till you come to a point where you almost don't breathe anymore. This is the stage where the mind will be completely peaceful, where you become just the observer. You're letting go of the control. You will be in complete harmony, balance with yourself, with your surrounding. And then maybe the mind will come, the voice inside will start talking, you will see some images, some pictures, some scenes in your life. And then just let it happen. Let the breath happen. Give up the control. Consciously smile and just see the breath, see life unfolding in front of you, and step back. Instead of practicing and doing, you will just step back and let everything happen. And then the magic will manifest, because this is the natural state of the mind, to be tranquil, to be completely peaceful. Then you will experience the joy within, because the prana, the shakti will rise all the way to your heart center. And then all the joy, all the bliss from within will manifest in your life. We're doing so many things to distract ourselves for the search for happiness. It's all about to be happy. And with the right tools, you can become happy right now. Just take a few minutes and consciously breathe. And then you let go of the breath. You let go of the thoughts, let go of the mind. And realize you're the observer, you're the consciousness within. And this understanding, this realization will make you free. This will uplift you and give you the potency, the energy emanating from the root all the way up And then you will shine bright and you will attract more positive things in your life. You will flow with the energies around you and experience real joy, bliss and happiness. Om Tat Sat. Namaste.